To another tutorial of CoHost. Today we're going to be exploring our My Shows feature, aka our multi-show management feature. So to get to this page, we're going to click on My Shows, and you'll notice that in this show in particular, we have 3 shows that we currently own that are under the same email. When you add a new show from your account, or if you've onboarded with us and had multiple shows in the migration process, we'll generally already do this for you. So that way your account is nice and unified and it is easy to select back and forth between shows. This also happens if you have been invited to multiple shows within CoHost and perhaps you're a team member that is managing multiple shows or producing multiple shows, again, to make it easier to select back and forth. So to switch shows that you're on, we're currently on CoHost Demo Podcast, but if I wanted to switch over to Olivia's Running, we could go to Select Show here. And you'll notice that the cover art and the title changed. That means we are now on Olivia's Running, and any of these features that we choose in the nav bar will be for Olivia's Running. Let's go back to the CoHost Demo Podcast. And you'll notice we changed again. If we wanted to add a new show to the account, we would just click Add New Show. Got it, continue. And then we would create or import our podcast from here. CoHost will take you through all of the instructions necessary to create or import a podcast. And then just keep in mind that billing information will be added at the end of this flow, so you can choose to pay with your current payment method or add a new one afterwards. And then from there, your show will be added to the My Shows page within your account so you can easily access it. And that's everything you need to know about our multi-show management feature. Let us know if you have any questions. We are more than happy to help.